What I love about this particular eye effect is that it's very basic, very easy to achieve, but still look really good. And my favorite part is how it goes off. Let me show you how it was achieved. The first thing I did is I created two nulls, one for the left eye and the other for the right eye. These nulls will hold our tracking data. Obviously, we have to track because we need the effect to stick to the eyes. Position, scale, and rotation. Choose your tracking point and then track forward. You track the first eye and then do the same for the second eye. After tracking, we'll create three different shapes. One for the eye, one for the iris, and other for the pupil. And then pre-compose everything, and then we'll give the three of them three different colors. Parent it to the corresponding null so that it can stick to the eye. I like using the deep blue effect, then I apply it to each of them without changing any of the setting. It looks good to me. And then it's all about keyframing. We'll move the anchor point to the center of every shape, scale it down to 0, move forward a little bit, scale it back to 100. So that's how it comes off. At the end, keyframe them back from 100 to 0. You have to offset the keyframe a little bit so they don't go off at the same time. Instead of it just going off, the first one goes off, we have the blue, and then it goes off, and then the red. That's my favorite part. Very easy to achieve. It's all about keyframing. The only work here is the tracking, which After Effects does for you. You just have to pick a very good tracking point. This is a very basic eye effect. It can be way more advanced than this, but I just want it very simple and basic. And here is the final result. Alright, thank you guys for watching. More and more VFX videos are coming to the channel. Please just stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, and if there's any VFX video you'd like me to do or anything you'd like to request, just say something to me in the comment section. Turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.